Hiya, friendos. For a while, I made a living selling pickles at farmers markets. During that time, it was about 4.5 years, the most popular version was dill cucumbers. Every once in a while, I do a little run of those. In fact, I'm going to do about 3 dozen jars, and I, give them and sell them to friends and other folks. So I'm going to do that today. Come along, join me, and I will talk you through my process and my recipe and that sort of stuff. And we'll even do some canning so that these are actually preserved pickles. So stick around, check it out. This is probably close to enough for a dozen, so let's see if we can get that. And we're basically just going up to the line under where the ring goes. This plastic can go away. And then with clean hands, we're just going to dose them into the jars. You can get a funnel. I'll show you, you'll see my canning funnel at some point. You could use that for this, but these are wide mouth jars, so it's pretty easy. You want to be careful not to like I'm pressing them down to get them to get rid of empty space, but you don't want to pack it too tight because you still want space for the brine to get around all of the pieces of cucumber to make them into pickles. No brine, no pickles. No pickles, no fun. So we're just going to fill the rest of these, and then we'll get to the actual brining part. And after 18 minutes, we're going to go ahead and pull them. It is now very important that we get these cooled off quickly. So you could put them in a fridge. That's risky because it'll heat up the fridge. You can put them in a water bath. That has a little bit of risk because you could crack the jars by temperature shocking them. My preferred way to do it is to set them in front of a fan and just let the fan blow room temperature air over them. They should cool down in about 45 minutes to an hour. You just need them to get to room temperature. The last batch is in the canning bath, and I cannot wait to be done with this. It went super well. I try not to bore you with doing things over and over again. So while that finishes, I'm just going to address some of the hand wringing that is sure to show up. Hey, Wash, you didn't boil your jars. No, I didn't. They come sterile from the factory. As long as you're careful, they'll stay sterile. If you reuse the jars, you then have to boil them. You cannot reuse the caps. Hey, Wash, the recipes in the description don't match what you did. You're right, they don't. I'm giving you a pickle recipe, not my old business's pickle recipe. Sorry, I love you all, not quite that much. Where did you find 18 minutes as the time to boil them? Excellent question. The answer is the FDA website. If something I said in this video disagrees with something that good, peer-reviewed, responsible science says, trust the science, not me. I'm very good at this. I've done this. I've made literally thousands of jars of pickles with this method, and I have had 0 complaints about something going wrong. The only time something went wrong was when I shipped it and it was in an airplane. Turns out pressure changes can mess with vacuums. So yeah, unless you're going to ship these across the country on an airplane or take them on an airplane, you're good. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I don't have a taste test because these jars are for other people. But I hope you'll try this or something like it at home. You can use this method for any number of vegetables with any number of flavors. Throw down in the comments what you like to make pickles out of, flavors, what veggies you like, all that kind of stuff. Until next time, everybody, thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your time zone. Be safe, have fun, stay passionate, cook something. Shout out to David Picciuto. I love that sign off. Bye, y'all.